Hi and welcome, I am here today with HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'll be doing a quick camera preview. So, let's open up the camera. First, we've got the video and photo mode. Video mode allows us to, record videos, and photo mode allows us to take photos. AR sticker allows us to place stickers on our videos and photographs. Bokeh allows us to create a blurry edges. Night mode allows us to take better photos in the dark. Let's open up the menu. We've got slow motion, which records a video but slowed down a bit. Panorama, which allows us to take very wide photographs. Watermark, which allows us to place a watermark on an image. GIF, which allows us to create GIFs. Time lapse. We've got the beauty video, which allows us to adjust several filters. We've got the pro mode. We've got the QR code mode, which allows us to scan QR codes. We've got the macro mode, which is useful for taking photos or videos or very small things. We've got the motion photo and wide angle. Let's go back. Let's go to the settings. As you can see, we've got the timer off. I'm not sure what that one is. And let's check the settings. We can change the video quality, shutter sound, facial information, face detection, and red eye removal. And that's basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.